Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can earn between $200 and $1,000 a day in 1 hour just talking. Now, I know this sounds insane, but this method is crazy. Honestly, this is one of the biggest paying methods on the internet, and it's super easy to do. Anyone can do it. So this is absolutely perfect for anyone looking to make really quick, easy money. It doesn't matter if you're experienced, if you're a newbie, if you know nothing about affiliate marketing, none of that matters. Basically, if you can read reasonably well and speak English or some other languages, this method will work for you. I will show you everything you need to do. And believe me, there is some serious money to be made using this method. So watch this video to the very end. I'll show you exactly what you need to do. I'll show you exactly how the website and the platform works. This is so easy for you to make money every single day. It's a simple method. This really is a passive income, a really easy way. You could do this 1 day a week. You could do it 1 day a week. You could do it 1 hour a week and make enough money to live off for the whole week. And you can literally make unlimited money using this method. This is one of the best methods I've come across, guys, and I'm super excited to show it to you. Now, before we get on with the video, please do me a favor. I have got some great content on my channel. I'm an affiliate marketer. I review affiliate products every single day. And I make videos just like this on how you guys can make money online in the most easiest and simple way, okay? I want you not to miss out on anything I do. So I will send you my latest videos, my latest offers. I run competitions all the time where I give away some really good prizes, guys, and I want you to be part of that. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button there, hit the bell on my website. You can see it on there when you log onto my site, and you won't miss anything. So please, guys, make sure you subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So let's get on to this crazy method and start making you guys some money. Okay, guys, so the first thing you're going to do is get onto Google and just go to voices.com. That will take you to this page. First thing you do, sign up. It's free to sign up. You just go to join, you'll get sent an email, confirm the link, and then you will find yourself on this landing page, okay? This is me, I've joined up. So, quite self-explanatory. What this is about is there are people, hundreds of companies out there, looking for people to make voiceovers or read products, do video games, put their voice to things, and they pay you for it, okay? So let's just quickly have a go here. I just want to show you a bit of the background about the company. So this is a leading industry website. It's been around for a long time, but do you know what? Not a lot of people know about it because it is a secret. People keep this quiet because of the amount of money that you can earn. 500,000 people registered on this. They post 5,000 jobs a month. There is serious money. 160 countries it covers, 100 languages and dialects. They employ 120 people. And it's made £20 million that they've given out, okay? It brings people together and to look for their voices, and there is some serious money. Some of the things that you're going to be asked to do: voiceovers for audiobooks, documentaries, movie trailers, telephone calls, business, educational, podcasting, television, cartoons, internet, radio, video games. The list goes on. They want your voice to be on their product, okay? And they pay you very well for it. So this site, the money varies from a couple of $100 to $1,000, all right? There's a Q&A section that you can go there and have a look. Some of the success stories are at the bottom. We can read, I mean, NBC, some big companies use this website, okay, and they grab people like you and me to put their voice on it. You know, this one here is an English version. Fanta, Sprite. You know, these are big companies that you can get your name, your voice even, onto their products. Imagine how good that would be. So back to the main page. There's a bio there. Fill that out. I haven't done this, but you put all your details in, who you are. You can put a photograph on. It's really important. And make yourself look. So let's go and have a look at some of the jobs. So we hit jobs here. This is where it gets exciting. You're not going to believe some of the payments in this. So company here, Ready Houston, they are paying between $570 and $749 to use your voice. Amos event script between $100 and $249. Goal orientated $100 to $249. Lux Hotel $500 to $749. I mean, these are big money. I mean, this one here, English with authentic Punjab Hindu accent, $2,350. Now that is obviously a bit restricted, but you know, if you have that dialect, bloody hell, man, $2,350. That's insane. Untitled documentary project on early Hollywood. So what you do is you just click into it, and it tells you a bit more about it. Let me just jump back here again. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow this morning. What else we got? Empire voiceover, $250 to $499. A feature film trailer, $100. You know, there are hundreds and hundreds of jobs on here. $1,000. Hire a narrator who can add sound effects and narrate an ebook. You just outsource that, get that done. Geneva Systems, I don't know what that is, $166.67. Anyway, as you can see, there is some serious wedge to be made here, guys. And there are hundreds of jobs, all right? Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of jobs. Now, some of these jobs are very quick. They're 5-minute jobs. So, you know, if you could do 1 or 2 a day, you could make some serious money. I mean, there's jobs on there for $1,000. You know, $1,000 for some work. There's no other website like it. So this is really, really amazing website. Now there is a slight downside to it. You have to sign up to it and it's going to cost you. You get a free account, okay? But to get most of the jobs, you have to upgrade. And it costs a fair bit of money, $499 a year, all right? But you know what? You've got to speculate to accumulate. If you've got a nice speaking voice, you will get that money back within one job, all right? So some of you are looking at that thinking, oh, I'm not doing it. Seriously, guys, it is worth trying to get that money together. As long as you've got a good pronunciation of English in whatever dialect they want, because all these jobs, they're looking for different dialects, you can make some money and you will get that back without a doubt. Easily, you'll get that back. So you can do, with the filter search, you can do languages. So oh no, that's actually not working. I'm not sure why that's not working. Anyway, but you can see these prices. You know, if you've got 1 a day, if you've got $1,000 a week, I'll be more than happy with that. You know, $4,000 a month, brilliant, for doing what, an hour's work. So really, really good website. Guys, have a look through it. Go through it. It's got some great reviews on it. You know, you get paid straight away. There's no mucking around with this. I love it. Yes, there's a price to pay for this website. I'm not going to hold it back. $499 is a lot of money. But you know what? It's not a lot of money when you can make the sort of money that they're throwing around on this website. And there are hundreds and hundreds of satisfied customers and people who have made a ton of money using this method, all right? So I highly, highly recommend it. Do your own due diligence on it. Have a look on YouTube. Google, have a search around. It's got great reviews. And if you can get that money together, there's no doubt you will make that money back really, really quickly. This is definitely one of the best websites for making money I've ever come across. And I really, really recommend it, guys. It's great. So that is it from me. Voices.com, make sure you hit it. Please have a look at my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com, and make sure you subscribe. Please, guys, hit that subscribe. I'd really, really appreciate it. I don't want you missing out on any of my reviews or my products. So I'm Bobby D, guys. Many, many thanks for listening to this video. Good luck. Take action. I'll speak to you soon.